Hey, in front of me is HUAWEI NOVA 10 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Begin with opening Tools folder and tapping on the Recorder app. Then tap on this red button to start your recording and tap on Allow in the pop-ups. As you can see now, recording is on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by clicking on this right button. And in order to add a bookmark, click on this left one. Now, if you want to end it and save it, click on the middle one over here and play your recording by clicking on it. If you wish to rename it, you can always go back, hold it, select the rename option over here and type in wherever you wish to. Then save your changes by tapping on OK. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it as well, but this time click on delete icon at the bottom in the middle and choose delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!